Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal section. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning. Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn environment scanning.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on marketing management. Today, we are going to understand marketing environment scanning. The marketing environment includes all factors and drives which influence the business of an organization in a direct or indirect way. Marketing environment is that which is external to the marketing management function, largely uncontrollable, potentially relevant to marketing decision making and changing and or constraining in nature. The marketing environment is more important to management today than ever before. This is both because the rate of environmental change has increased and because there are more types of important environmental changes. The rate of environmental change should be remembered that all of the development experienced by humankind has occurred within a mere moment of history. New types of environmental change have come to the forefront. Economic factors go to the core business activity, and historically, they have always been important to marketing management. Environment scanning can be defined as the study and interpretation of the political, economical, social, and technological events and trends which influence a business, an industry, or even a total market. Environment scanning includes environment monitoring, environment forecasting, and environment assessment. Environment monitoring includes observing the environment and its factors, while environment forecasting includes estimating and projecting the future environment, while environment assessment includes the analysis of monitoring and forecasting to convert into the valued decision making. Well, let us say the three parts are important over here of scanning. Number one is environment monitoring, number two is environment forecasting, and number three is environment assessment. Environment can be micro environment or macro environment. It can be controllable environment or uncontrollable environment, or it can be internal environment or external environment. There can be so many ways of classification of environment, and then monitoring, forecasting and assessment is done on the classification basis. Well, I mean to say over here, you classify the environment on different criteria, different variables like controllability, or you talk about internal or external, or you talk about micro or macro, and then the monitoring, forecasting and assessment is done on that particular criteria, on that particular basis. So you say one of the very popular method of environment scanning is pestle analysis. The pestle analysis includes political P, economical E, social S, technological T, environmental E, and legal L. I mean to say PESTEL, pestle factors, and that factors over here are to be analyzed. Let us see them one by one. Political factors are how a government intervenes in the economy. The areas included in political factors are labor laws and tax policies and environment laws and trade and tariffs and regulations. Well, political stability and related factors are again important over here. Mind well, law framing is included over here. The goods that should be provided to the society, that is what is merit goods, and the goods that shouldn't be provided to the society, the demerit goods, are also included in political factors. The political factors have an influence on marketing as the overall product, price, profit, production. Product to price, price to profit, and profit to again production. That cycle also depends on the political factors such as regulations, laws, political stability, etc. Well, let us say economic factors. Economic factors include economic growth, interest rates, exchange rates, the inflation rates, etc. The economic factors have influence on the marketing process as price fluctuations to product growth. All depends on economic well-being of the society. The wealth distribution is also included over here. Social factors include social and cultural aspects. This should be scanned as factors like attitude, perception, consciousness, population growth, age distribution, emphasis on safety, overall satisfaction from life, etc. affects the marketing process. They are all part of social and cultural aspects over here. Technological factors include how technology changes, the rate of technology change, R&D activities, I mean to say research and development activities, automation, computerization, etc. The technology several times defines the success or failure of marketing. Suddenly, pager companies could not decide that mobiles have arrived in the market and what they should do, and they are a great failure over there. And mobile companies suddenly won the kingdom, I mean to say the market. The technology directs innovation, discovery, cost reduction, quality enhancement, outsourcing, etc. So this technology changes suddenly so many things. Environmental or ecological factors include climate, climate change, weather, greeneries, etc. The ecological factors have a great impact on rain too. which is very important for farming, especially in India. Further, carbon credit and similar contracts or similar issues with global environmental variables several times affect global marketing process. If you look to legal factors that include various kinds of laws like Companies Act 1956, the Contract Act 1872, the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, the Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act 1969, of course, amended then afterwards. Several laws are amended. The Competition Act 2002, the Essential Commodities Act 1955, the Environment Protection Act 1986, etc. The law framing is, somewhat or somewhere of overlapping with political factors, but the implementation and jurisdiction, that part of laws are very important again in marketing process, and they are covered over here. So let us say, if we summarize what we did today in marketing environment scanning, we said that scanning is about the study and interpretation of political, economical, social, technological, and other events and trends which influence a business, industry, or a total market. We have seen that factors can be classified in various ways like micro and macro, like controllable and uncontrollable, like internal and external. Then afterwards, we have seen a popular analysis, that is what is pestle analysis, that is political, economic, social, technological, environmental or ecological, and legal factors which are covered over here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.